Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It is the start of the holiday season here now and we're gonna go to our first round of holiday lights. Let's get on going. With some friends today. Hello!
Oh, yes, you found them?
Remember Michelle?
Hello, Merry Christmas.
And we have some other friends here as well, bringing their family here, so it's a family affair tonight, so let's have some fun. Shell.
Honestly, a lot of us
This is
like this anyway.
Have a good night.
Good night at the zoo. Got my camcorder. There you have it, our trip to the LA Zoo lights. It was great seeing all the families out and about, my friends bringing their families as well, all the kids having fun, having some hot chocolate, some snacks, so it was a good time all around. Now I believe the zoo lights will be running until the early part of January. Now if you want to plan your own visit to the LA Zoo lights, I will put the link in the description so you could check out all the information you need to plan your own trip. Thank you once again for joining me. I hope you all had a really good time. If you do like this video, you know what to do to give it a thumbs up, as it does help the channel, and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.